Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the React.js interview questions. This time we are going to see about the state and props in a very quick and short way. And this is one of the most famous interview question in the React.js because React.js start with the state and props and in the different life cycle which we have seen it. So we'll see it in a very quick and short way, first the theory, and then we'll see the implementation part of it as well. Let me explain what is the state and props then. So in a short, in theory, what we are going to see. So while you are learning about the React.js, you should know what is the props, how the data parsing is done in the React.js, because this is one of the most important thing. And then what is the state, how you are passing your data from one component to another component, how you are setting the data in your local, in your state, in your application. If you wanted to save some variables, how you are going to save that, and what is the difference between the props and state. So first thing first, what is the props? So props refers for the properties in theory now, and used to send the data from parent component to the child component. So in this example you will see that there is one parent component over here. You can see parent component which is extending the component one, and then in the render you can see there is one child component, and in that child component you can see there is a name. So name we are calling it as a props. So child components has a property which is we call now it as names, and in that names we are passing some value. So it is, as of now you can see the strings, and the another, this is the child component over there, and you can see there is a props in the function. It is taking as an argument, and then you can print it according to your way. So from here your parent component, you have the child component with the property name as props. Here you can pass it as a string, as object, as an integer, whatever you like that, and then pass it to the child component. And after once these props received by the child components, so it can print it. It can print it on the screen, it can return it on the screen. So here you will see that props.names will return, which will print the value of pass props value to the child. Next is your states. So state is looks like similar, where you can save your object and print it on your screen with the help of the render method. So React has built-in object which is we call state. With the state component manage their own data internally. So with the state you can manage your data internally, locally, or you can also pass it through the service call. First of all, we will see it through the locally and also it in the action as well. And we don't pass a state in the component. So in the component, if you pass values, so that's why we will use the props over there. So in this example, you can see state example extend react.component, which we have the constructor these dot state id is 1 and the name is pass state example. So these dot state is an object which contains id and name, and then in the render method how you are going to access that, simply you will have to call these dot state dot id, because a state object contains id and the name, so it will print those values. So right now I have just set the values directly in the these dot state, but you can also set it with the help of these dot set state, which we'll see into the action. So this is all. See, this was a very short video which I wanted to create within 4 minutes. Thank you. If you like this video, just hit like and subscribe, and if you want to put the comments over there you can put, I will really appreciate. And if there is a feedback you wanted to give, you can. Thank you.